Requesting the teams to start the game as soon as possible. Umpires have taken their field. If you do not obey the rules given by the umpire, you guys get a penalty. This is a strict warning by the committee. So we have Ritik who is taking strike and Subhash a non-strike. And Sagar going to start the bowling for Patwadi. So we have this game, the first game of the second slot. A 5 overs game to be played. So here goes Sagar with the first delivery. Starts with a short delivery. They get a single. एक बॉल के समाप्ति पे एक रन. We are witnessing the game between Patwadi versus Sri Ganesh. Patwadi winning the toss and they have elected to field first. We have Subhash now on strike after the first single taken by Ritik. Requesting the fielding team, do not waste time. We have Sagar with his next delivery. Just a single of the first one. So here goes Sagar. That's in the air. But that will land safe if I'm not wrong. Yes, I am not wrong. And that's a boundary. A beautiful shot there down the ground, resulting in a boundary. So the score moving to 5. स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ यहाँ पे 5 रन. सागर अपनी अगली गेंद लेके
तिसरा चेंडू. चेंडू पुन्हा एकदा सागर. स्ट्राईकला असेल सुभाष. चेंडू पडतोय. चांगला चेंडू. ब्लॉकल चेंडू होता. चौलच मारण्याचा प्रयत्न. निर्धाव चेंडू. पुढचा चेंडू. स्लोअर पर चेंडू आणि दमदार तो जातोय षटकार. चांगला फटका सुभाषांच्या बॅटीतून. या षटकाराने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. या षटकाराने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 11. अजूनही 2 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत पहिल्या षटकातील सागर यांचे. बघूया पुढचा चेंडू. पुन्हा एकदा चांगला फटका. तो जातोय चौकार. या चौकाराने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 15. बिनबाद 15. श्री गणेश संघ. बघूया शेवटचा चेंडू. चांगली फलंदाजी करतायत आपल्या संघासाठी सुभाषे. बघूया शेवटचा चेंडू. शॉर्ट पद्धत चेंडू आणि स्ट्रेटला मारलेला आहे बघूया आणि हा सुद्धा चौकार. थँक्यू डीजे. थँक्यू डीजे. एक षटका केलीस धाव संख्या 19 श्री गणेश संघ. बघूया दुसरं षटक घेऊन वेदांत आलेले आहेत पातवाडी संघाकडून. फिल्डिंग मध्ये फेरबदल करत आहेत. सामना चालू ठेवायचा आहे. दुसऱ्या षटकातील पहिला चेंडू स्ट्राईकला असतील ऋतिक. चांगला चेंडू जवळच टच करून एक धाव पळून काढले आहे. दुसरी धाव घेण्याचा प्रयत्न आणि दुसरी धाव सुद्धा पूर्ण झालेली आहे. या 2 धावेने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 21 बिनबाद 21 श्री गणेश संघ. चेंडू पडतोय. चांगला फटका तो जातोय. भूषणांनी चांगला झेल पकडलेला आहे. पहिला धक्का बसतोय श्री गणेश संघाला ऋतिकांच्या स्वरूपात. 21 धावसंख्येवरती. थँक्यू डीजे. ऋतिकांची जागा भरून काढण्यासाठी आले ते म्हणजे आतिश. बघूया अजून 4 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत. कशा प्रकारची खेळी करतोय अतिशय आपल्या संघासाठी. चांगला चेंडू होता. निर्धाव चेंडू. अजूनही 3 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत. दुसऱ्या षटकातील धावसंख्या स्थिर 21 एक बाद 21.
So that's a dot ball once again. We have Atish on strike And Vedant, who's already bowled 4 deliveries, giving away 2 runs and taking a wicket in his name. He has to bowl 2 more legal deliveries to get his team to the next over. Here goes Vedant. On strike we have Atish. Making room on the offside. They're going for the second. That's a wide throw, but well collected there by the wicket keeper, and that's a wicket. Thank you, DJ. The score moves to 22. Good run rate there by the batting team, but at the same time, they are losing wickets as well. So they have lost only 2 wickets, maintaining a good run rate. The score is 22. We have Vedant to bowl the next and the final delivery if he bowls a legal one. Our next batsman on strike is Akash, who's come on the crease in the form of that run out. So we have Vedant to bowl the next delivery, also his final one. We have Akash on strike. Let us see what does he do for his team. Does he play aggressive or sensible? Vedant with the next delivery. Oh, a miss hit outside edge in the form of a single. So score moves to 23 at the end of the second over. 23 रन यहाँ पे 2 ओवर 23 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे अच्छा रन रेट मेंटेन किया यहाँ पे श्री गणेश ने. We still have 3 overs left in this game. जैसे कि मैंने बोला था at the start of the game, 5 ओवर का मैच होगा ये. Pathwadi versus Sri Ganesh. Pathwadi who had won the toss and they are elected to field first. At the same time, we have Sri Ganesh who is maintaining a good run rate. 23 runs at the end of the second over with a loss of 2 wickets. So we have Bhumit, who's going to bowl the third over. Right arm over the wicket. Let us see what can he do for his team. On strike we have Akash. Cuts it on the offside. Oh, some good effort there by the fielder. Lost balance, but didn't lose an opportunity to throw the ball. That was a quick release there by the fielder there on the offside, inside the circle. The score moves to 24. Bhumit with his next delivery. Here goes Bhumit. Short ball. He's banging into that cement pitch. It also resulted into a dot. The batting team playing quite sensibly. They know that they still have 3 overs left, including this. And they have already scored 24. Another 10 to 15 odd runs would get them back into the game. Here goes Bhumit with the next delivery. In the slot, that's close. Very close. Very, very, very close. Another wicket in the form of Subhash, who has lost his wicket. And the catch taken there by Sumit. A new batsman on strike is Akshay. He knows that he has plenty to do. They have maintained a good run rate, but अभी भी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. इसके पहले हमने देखा था मैच जो डाउन द वायर गया था, बट नवानगर ने वो सील कर दिया था. And we have Akshay now, who has taken the strike after that catch out. Score 24. 3 बॉल अभी भी बाकी है. अगर लीगल डिलीवरी डालेंगे यहाँ पे बुमित, so that will be the end of the third over if he bowls 3 legal deliveries. We have our umpires. Here goes Bumit with the next delivery. Down the offside, misfielded. And they have taken a second run as well. Beautiful shot there. Score moving to 26 at the end of the fourth delivery. Bumit still has to bowl 2 more deliveries. Score is 26. श्री गणेश ने काफी अच्छा बैटिंग रन रेट मेंटेन किया है. At the same time, now Bumit will have to come back into this game. Here goes Bumit with the next delivery. Once again, banging it. That's on the offside. This could be out. Yes, it is. Good, well judged there by the fielder, going on the edge of the circle and taking that catch quite comfortably. Thank you, DJ. So we have Vignesh now, who's come in place of Akshay. The score is 26. Bhumit has to bowl another delivery here to wind up with the third over. Requesting the fielding team to start the game as soon as possible. Here was Bhumit. Mishit there. They're planning for a second. Slips there and a wicket. अगर वो वापस स्लिप नहीं होते थे तो शायद, and I guess he has injured himself. Looks like he has twisted his leg. Requesting the committee to please check for the fielders. Requesting the committee to please check it. Losing the wicket on the second run. The score is 27 now. So we have Bond on strike. Bond who has taken place in the form of the last wicket. So we have Vedant to bowl the fourth over for his team. अच्छा काफी बॉलिंग डाला था वेदांत ने इसके पहले. So we have Bond now, who has taken the crease after the last wicket. Here goes Vedant to bowl the first delivery of the fourth over. We have Akash on strike to face Vedant. Down the leg side, picking the gap. Can he come back for the second? Misfield. That misfield would easily give them the second run. Score moving to 29. एक बॉल के समाप्ति पे स्कोर 29. Akshay is still on strike now. Here goes Vedant with his next delivery. Already conceded 2 runs on the very first delivery. Vedant अपनी अगली गेंद लेके मारने की कोशिश. He wanted to free his arms, but a dot ball. Swing and a miss. He's looking for that leg side. A big gap there. But equally well bowled there by the bowler. The score remains at 29. अगली गेंद लेके यहाँ पे वेदांत. ये हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट बट कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाए. बट एक रन लेने में कामयाब. स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 30. The score moves to 30 at the end of the third ball. We have Bond on strike now. Let us see what can he do for his team. क्या वो एग्रेसिव खेलते या फिर वो सेंसिबल खेलते, क्योंकि इनकी टीम का रन रेट काफी अच्छा है. 30 रन उन्होंने ऑलरेडी मार चुका है. Sri Ganesh already have scored 30 runs. They still have 9 balls left. So another 10 to 15 odd runs would take them very front in the game. We have Vedant. Bond on strike. Bond going to face him. You can see that the team is motivating him. Here goes Vedant. Oh, a dot ball. So Vedant wins that contest. But once again, Bond will once again have to face him. Still 2 deliveries left. We have Bond facing Vedant. The trump card for the bowling team, Vedant. Here goes Vedant with his next delivery. Bond facing left-handed batsman. Down the track, beautiful shot, but I think there is protection there. So they will get just a single, a wide throw. Well collected there by Vedant. Score moving to 31. Still 1 delivery left of this over. Vedant facing is Akshay. Akash. Here goes Vedant. That's a wide delivery. Wide delivery. So once again a legal delivery yet to be bowled by Vedant. Score moving to 32. 7 balls still left in this first innings. Another 8 to 10 odd runs would put the batting team quite ahead in this contest. We have Vedant to bowl the final one. If he bowls a legal delivery. Batsman taking his time. Akash. Let us see who's going to win this contest. Is it Akash or is it Vedant? We'll watch it now. Down the leg side, that's given a crack, a slap. A slap to the bowler, and that's a 6. Score moving to 38.
सामना सुरू ठेवायचा आहे पंचांनी पण. बघूया शेवटचं षटक घेऊन कोण येत आहेत. ओमकार आलेला आहे पातवाडी संघाकडून शेवटचं षटक घेऊन. स्ट्राईकला असतील बॉन्ड.
स्टॉल भी लागलाय.
बघूया पहिला चेंडू. स्लोवर पच चेंडू होता. मारण्याचा प्रयत्न होता परंतु चोरटी धाव पळून काढली आहे. एका धावेने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. 39 39. बघूया 5 चेंडू. स्ट्राईकला असतील आकाश. दुसरा चेंडू. रिवर्स मारलेला आहे. बघूया तो जातोय. गगन चुम्मी षटकार. या षट
बॉल दे बॉल 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 दे बॉल 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 बॉल.
या षटकाराने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 45 45. अजूनही 4 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत शेवटच्या षटकातील. बघूया तिसरा चेंडू. स्ट्राईकला असतील तडाखेबाज फलंदाज आकाश. बघूया चेंडू पडतोय. स्लोअर पच चेंडू होता. फुल टॉस चेंडू होता. एक धाव पळून काढले आहे आणि रनआउट. बाद झालेला आहे. आकाश हे बाद झालेले आहे. दुसरे रन घेण्याचा प्रयत्न. बॉन्ड यांची जागा भरून काढण्यासाठी आले आहेत विराट. अजूनही 3 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत शेवटच्या षटकातील. 46. 6 गडी बाद. 46 धावसंख्या श्री गणेश संघ. बघूया चेंडू पडतोय. शॉर्ट चेंडू आणि बघूया आणि चौकार. 50 धावा कंप्लीट झालेल्या आहेत श्री गणेश संघाच्या. आकाश हे वैयक्तिक 9 चेंडू मध्ये 22 धावसंख्येवरती खेळत आहेत. चांगली फलंदाजी करतायत आपल्या संघासाठी. बघूया अजूनही 2 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत शेवटच्या षटकातील. पाचवा चेंडू. चेंडू पडतोय आणि निर्धाव जातोय. चांगला कमबॅक केलेला आहे ओमकार याने. शेवटचा चेंडू. शेवटचा चेंडू. चेंडू पडतोय. स्लोवर पद चेंडू होता. बघूया. चांगली ट्राय केली होती. 2 धाव पळून काढले आहेत. तिसरी धाव घेण्याचा प्रयत्न होता परंतु रनआउट झालेला आहे. 2 धावावर समाधान मानावं लागेल. या 2 धावेने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 52 आणि 53. विन. क्षेत्ररक्षणासाठी उतरायचं आहे व तसेच पातवाडी संघाने आपले सलामीचे 2 मोहरे पाठवायचे आहेत. 53 धावांचं आव्हान दिले आहे पातवाडी संघाला. चेंडू द्यायचा आहे. यानंतरचा होणारा सामना शीतलादेवी वर्सेस मालवणी. दोन्ही संघांनी टॉचअप साठी यायचं आहे प्रॉब्लेम बॉक्स मध्ये. ह्याच्यानंतरचा होणारा सामना. पातवाडी संघाने फलंदाज उतरवायचे आहेत. सलामीचे 2 मोहरे ओमकार व वेदांत. श्री गणेश संघाकडून पहिले षटक घेऊन आलेले आहेत सुभाष. स्ट्राईकला असतील ओमकार व नॉन स्ट्राईकला वेदांत. त्रेपन्न धावांचं आव्हान दिलेलं आहे श्री गणेश संघाने पातवाडी संघाला. यानंतरचा होणारा सामना मालवणी वर्सेस शीतला देवी. तरी दोन्ही संघाच्या कर्णधारांनी पॅव्हिलियन बॉक्स मध्ये यायचे आहे टॉचअप साठी. सामना सुरू करायचा आहे. पंचांचा सामना सुरू होण्याचा इशारा. राईटम राऊंड. बघूया पुन्हा एकदा. पहिले चेंडू आणि चांगला फटका. बघूया तो जातोय पहिल्या चेंडूवरती. षटकार. पहिल्या चेंडू मध्ये षटकार ठोकलेला आहे ओमकार यांनी. चेंडू पडतोय. फुलटॉस चेंडू. एक धाव पळून काढले. एका धावाने धावसंख्यामध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 7. तर स्ट्राईकला असतील वेदांत. बघूया तिसरा चेंडू. चांगला चेंडू होता परंतु त्याला पाठवलेला आहे बॅनर वरती. डायरेक्ट षटकार. धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 13. अजूनही 3 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत पॉवर प्ले षटकातील. फुलटॉस चेंडू होता आणि मिस फिल्डिंग झालेलं आहे. एक धाव पळून काढले आहे. एका धावावर समाधान मानावं लागेल. एका धावेने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 14. बिनबाद 14 पातवाडी संघ. अजूनही 2 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत पहिल्या षटकातील सुभाषांचे. चेंडू पडतोय, चांगला मारला आहे. एक धाव पळून काढले. एका धाव समाधान मानावं लागेल. एका धावने धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 15. शेवटचा चेंडू. मालवणी वर्सेस शीतला देवी ह्यानंतरचा होणारा सामना. तरी दोन्ही संघाने टॉचअप साठी यायचं आहे. शेवटचा चेंडू. स्ट्राईकला वेदांत. फुलटॉस चेंडू होता आणि गॅप मध्ये मारला आहे. बघूया 4 धावेंसाठी. धावसंख्येमध्ये वाढ. धावसंख्या 19. बिनबाद 19.
Check. So we are witnessing the second innings between Patwadi versus Sri Ganesh. So the score of Sri Ganesh is 19 for the loss of 0 wickets. So the bowler to bowl the next over is Akash. As we seen in the first innings, the batting team Sri Ganesh was maintaining a good run rate. At the same time, we even have Patwadi who's maintaining the same run rate. They've already scored 19 in the very first over, scoring 2 sixes and 1 boundary. So we have Akash who's going to bowl the second over for his team. So this game also, as per experts, is going to go down to the last over. The first delivery down the offside. That's good running there. They've taken the second and also successful in taking the third one. Good running there by the batting team, Patwadi. The score moves to 22. The game after this is going to happen between Shitla Devi versus Malwani Koliwada, all the way from Malwani. So we are going to witness the next delivery by Akash. Already conceded 3 on the very first ball. Patwadi playing sensibly. They know that they have scored more than the average runs in the first over, 19. Let us see what can Akash do now. Conceding 3 runs on the first ball. Requesting the fielding team as well as the batsmen to please start the game. We are running short of time. Here goes Akash. Left-handed batsman on strike. Let us see what can Akash do. In the slot on the leg side, just a single. Wide throw once again over the keeper. The score moving to 23. 2 बॉल की समाप्ति पे स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 23. अच्छा बैटिंग कर यहाँ पे एग्रेसिव बैटिंग करते हुए यहाँ पे पातवाड़ी की दोनों भी बैट्समैन ओमकार और वेदांत. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में हाई टारगेट देखा था, दे आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. दे नो दैट द टारगेट इज टू बिग We need to start, we need to put that aggressive gear right from the first ball. And that is what they have done from the very first ball. Here goes Akash with his next delivery. Down the leg side. And he finds the gap. And that's a boundary. That's a boundary. Thank you, DJ. You can groove onto the music by a DJ. The score moves to 27. घातक बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पे पातवाड़ी द्वारा. अभी भी विकेट और डॉट बॉल ढूंढते हुए यहाँ पे श्री गणेश. अगली गेंद लेके यहाँ पे आकाश. And finally, commentators curse for the batting team that resulted into a dot ball. So the pressure is now back to the batsman. I don't think that is pressure because they've already scored 27. Still 2 deliveries left for the second over. We have Akash. Here goes Akash with his next delivery. Slower one. Cuts on the offside. Protection there and just a single. Score moves to 28. Still 1 ball left in this over. We have Akash to bowl the final delivery of the second over. Score is 28. Still a lot left for Pathwadi to chase. But looking at their batting lineup, I think this is easily chaseable. But you cannot. So we have the toss for the next game. Malwani versus Shitla Devi. Malwani calls. Shitla Devi has won the toss for the next game and we are waiting for your decision. You can take your time, but not too much. Score बढ़ता हुआ 29. 2 ओवर के समाप्ति पे for the loss of 0 wickets. अच्छा पार्टनरशिप है यहाँ पे पातवाड़ी के दोनों बैट्समैन. ओमकार एंड वेदांत काफी अच्छा बैटिंग करते हुए टीम के एक्सपेक्टेशंस को उन्होंने यहाँ पे हर्ट नहीं किया है. आकाश जिन्होंने लास्ट ओवर डाला था 10 रन देते हुए उन्होंने स्कोर बढ़ाया है 29. श्री गणेश अभी ये ओवर उनको पकड़ के डालना होगा. इफ दे वांट टू गेट बैक इनटू दिस गेम दे नीड टू बॉल 1 ओवर. Akshay to bowl the third over for his team Shri Ganesh. At the same time now we have Pathwadi. The score is 29 for the loss of 0 wickets. अच्छा रन रेट मेंटेन किया है यहाँ पे पातवाड़ी ने. Here goes Akshay. He needs to bowl a crucial over here for both the teams, I would say. Here goes Akshay with the first delivery into the slot. That was not connected. That is high and taken. So we have the first wicket. Thank you, DJ. Requesting the fielding team to please take the field as soon as possible. At the same time, Patwadi, please hurry up. So we have Aniket now, who's come after the fall of the first wicket. We have Akshay, who has picked up a wicket on the first delivery. Can he repeat the same performance? If they need to push this game, if they need to push pressure on Patwadi, he needs to do something special. We've seen two close games before this. Can this be the third one? So there's a change in the field. He's bowling as per his field. This is Akshay to bowl the second delivery of the third over. We have Aniket on strike. Here goes Akshay. That's a no. He will have to bowl that again. He was finding to try that Yorker, but it resulted into a no ball. That's also a free hit. So the batsman has an opportunity to free his arms as well. Yes, he does that. High, handsome, but not far enough. Misfielded there. And they take 2 runs, making good opportunity of that free hit. That was Aniket with that shot there. The score moving to 32. Here goes Akshay with the next delivery. Beautiful shot there down the ground. This is close. Is it close? Yes, it is. Simple catch down the throat of the fielder. Thank you, DJ. So that was Aniket who lost his wicket. Was trying to clear the boundary down the ground, but landed up in a catch out. So as you can see, Aniket has broken the partnership, picking up 2 wickets. So we have Bhumit now, who's taken place of Aniket after that catch out. So Akshay with his next delivery already picked up 2 wickets, but also given an extra. Can he compromise for that extra? Can he make a comeback? So here we go. Akshay taking his run up. So here the batsman wanted to free his arms, but resulted in a dot ball. So another dot ball. Now the pressure is back on the batting team. Akshay, who has still given just 3 runs in this over. Here goes Akshay with his next delivery. That's edge. Keeper goes for it. Says mine. And some fumble, but takes it and bangs the ground very hard. You can see that they needed this over. They needed a big over. And the man for the team has done it. Akshay. He's come in on the right time after conceding. Score moving to 32. So the score is 32 for the loss of 3 wickets, and all 3 wickets have come in this over. The big man bowling, Akshay. So we have Sumit now. As you've seen that catch taken there by the wicketkeeper, as I keep saying, catches win matches. Can Sri Ganesh seal this game? We have Sumit now, who had all in the first innings. You've seen Sumit taking some good catches as well. Can he contribute it with the bat too now? We still have Akshay, who's picked up 3 wickets. Here goes the bowler. Plays it sensibly, pushes it on the offside. They're coming back for the second. A wide throw will allow them to take the second. So the score moves to 34. At the end of the third over, the score is 34. A crucial over bowled there by Akshay, giving out only 5 runs. So we have Vignesh, who's going to bowl the 4th over for his team. Can he keep it tight as well? He needs to, if he wants the game to go down to the wire. Requesting the fielding team, please do not waste time. You just have 20 minutes per innings. So we have Vignesh, who's going to bowl the 4th over for Sri Ganesh. Can he perform what Akshay performed? Akshay giving just 5 runs and picking 3 wickets. The batsman trying to find his slot, checking out the field. So here goes Vignesh, a long run up. Let us see what can Vignesh do. Here goes Vignesh. Short ball in the air. This could be... Oh, that has been dropped. Not only dropped. That's a no ball as well. No, that's not a no. That's a boundary. So he has not only dropped a catch but also given 4 runs for Pathwadi. Each and every run is now important for Sri Ganesh. What a shot there by the batsman. It wasn't connected well, but he succeeded in getting that boundary. Here Vignesh once again with his second delivery. Once again bowling it short, but umpire says it's wide. He will have to bowl that again. Extras can be frustrating here for the bowling team. The score moving to 39. We have Vignesh here, who still has to bowl 5 legal deliveries. Looks like he's under pressure now, changing side. Here goes Vignesh with the next delivery. Tries it short, banging it on the pitch here. That's a shot there. Beautiful shot there by the batsman. Lodging the ball outside the boundary rope for a 6 run. They're making it look quite simple, quite easy. The score moves to 45. Now their victory is not very far. 2 boundaries already in this over. Here goes Vignesh. A dot ball. So that's a dot ball. So the pressure is now back to the batting team. Vignesh once again changing his side. Banging it hard once again. Another wide delivery. Looks like he has lost his rhythm after conceding a boundary and a six. He's leaking away runs, which is not acceptable by his team right now. You can see these two teams playing for this beautiful trophy on stage. Vignesh with his next delivery here. Beautiful ball there. Good line, good length. Another dot ball. Score moving to 46. So 46 here on the board for Pathwadi. We have Vignesh, who's ready with his lineup. Has to do something to get back into this game. Here goes Vignesh. That's a wide. Another wide delivery given there. So now the pressure entirely on the bowler. He's trying to keep it far from the batsman, but he's not keeping it in. The score moves to 47. Here goes Vignesh with his next delivery. That's on the offside. Protection there, but they take 2 runs successfully. Trying the third one. The non-striker says no. We shouldn't take risk from here now. Score moving to 49. It could be the last delivery if Vignesh bowls it a legal one. Here goes Vignesh. A dot ball. So that was a legal one. So just 4 runs needed now for Pathwadi out of 6 deliveries. Sri Ganesh, can they defend this 4 runs? 4 runs needed. Requesting the fielding team. So the fielding team gets a penalty. You can have only 3 players inside the field, inside the inner circle. 3 players अंदर की 3 player बाहर. हाँ नहीं नहीं 3. The score is 49. So as per penalty, 3 players will remain in the field now. So can Sri Ganesh defend this 4 runs? Will Sumit go for the glory shot? Wanted to go for the glory shot. Has he picked up the gap? Yes, it is. Requesting Shitla Devi to please give me your decision. I request the captain of Shitla Devi to please tell me your decision. So they have decided to field first. So the winners of the previous game, Pathwadi. So we are going to witness the next game between Malwani Koliwada versus Shitla Devi. Shitla Devi winning the toss and they have decided to field first. We congratulate Patwadi for winning this game, requesting Shitla Devi to please take the ground as well as Malwani Koliwada to please send your batsmen and also a 12th man on the stage for the names. Request the 12th man of both the teams to please come on the stage.
हाय ना नवीन बॉलचा बॉक्स आहे ना हाय हाय भेटला ना बॉल हा बॉल तेवढा तुला ये सूरज पाणी पाणी सूरज पाणी ठीक आहे हा
So we have Shitla Devi versus Malwani Koliwada. Shitla Devi winning the toss and they've decided to field first. Requesting the committee.
ठीक आहे बॉल घे
12th man from both the teams.
ये क्या है रे सर इधर है बॉक्स नहीं इधर इधर आगे
Requesting the 12th man from Malwani. Malwani, please send your 12th man for writing the names. Requesting the 12th man from Malwani Koliwada. This is the last call. So we have Shitla Devi versus Malwani Koliwada. Shitla Devi. Malwani Koliwada, your 12th man please. प्लेयर का नाम लिखने का है.
इसका उसका है ना नाम बैटिंग जो कर रहा है वो नाम इधर नहीं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बैटिंग जो कर रहा है उसका है ना हाँ उसी का
एका जागेवर बसला पहिला पहिला धावू नको एकच बोलवलेलं तिघ तिघ आले
बॉलरचं नाव सांग. Requesting Malwani Koliwada, 12th man. वो देखा आराम से आ रहा है, जल्दी आ रही. So we have Sanjay. We have Sanjay to start the first over for Shitla Devi. They know this ground very well. So we have Mahinder and Deepak. So here we go. So Sanjay to start the over for Shitla Devi.